Author Shantanu Gupta is with us, as is senior journalist Pankaj Sharma.
Statement about that.
Okay, Pankaj Sharma, is it
about Sanjay Gandhi?
Pankaj Sharma, is it time to set right the wrongs of the past? Because as it's said, if we do not learn from history, we are doomed to repeat those same mistakes in the future.
Everyone must learn from the history. There was a history 33 years ago. There was a history 23 years ago. Who apologized for that? See, Congress party has tendered its apology hundreds of times. Indira Gandhi herself apologized. Though
No, she
I
didn't.
feel
Can you
Congress,
tell me when and where? Can you give a source for your quote?
I'll send you. I'll send you.
No, don't send it to me. Say it for the benefit of all Padmaja's viewers. please. Do not send it to me. This is not a personal conversation. You are on a national level debate with me. Padmaja, can we request my co-panelist to present the source of his statement for all our viewers' benefit?
In full.
No, do not send it to me. Please give me the source, or otherwise retract your statement. Nobody ever expects any apology, any regret.
I say that Congress doesn't need to apologize for the imposition of emergency. Imposition was the appropriate call of the time, but yes, there were some.
You're justifying it even today.
Some high-handedness by some leaders.
You're justifying it even today.
Indira Ji failed to control because she was deliberately not made aware of those things by the surroundings she had at that time.
Why was it the right thing to do? Why was it the right thing to do? No, hold on a second. You can't just let it pass and say it was the right thing to do at the time. Why, Pankaj Sharma? Why was it the right thing to do?
Yes, tell me if today Rahul Gandhi makes an appeal to the army to disobey orders of the elected government, if he tells police forces to refuse to not execute government instructions, will Narendra Bhai Modi garland Rahul and offer an aarti to him, or will send
But
him to
Rahul
jail?
Gandhi is doing pretty much that.
The then government
Every day
Indira
raising
Gandhi
questions on the military.
committed by
Every
arresting
single day
Jayaprakash
he's
Narayan
talking
ji.
about how
A
he
union
does not
minister
believe
was
in what
killed
the courts
openly
say.
in a bomb blast. There was an
You are
chaotic situation
giving
in many
the kind of
states.
statements
A
against
huge
the
turmoil
Indian
was
institutions
created
that
by
are not
vested
befitting of
interests.
the leader of opposition.
State
You
properties
side
were being
with the enemy
destroyed
states. Your
ruthlessly
statements are
at
used
an
in
enormous
their
level.
dossiers
Why
against
should the
your
Prime
own
Minister
country.
not
It
declare
is Rahul
internal
Gandhi doing
emergency?
exactly that.
Okay,
He
so you are
in fact
saying
went to the extent of calling our PM a chore and got away with it. What emergency are you talking about?
Shantanu
And even
Gupta,
now
let's
you're
put this in
justifying it.
historical context. Pankaj Sharma is saying those were difficult times, and difficult times ask for difficult measures. Anarchy would have prevailed over the country, so the Prime Minister's hand was forced by unionists who were threatening to shut down our factories, by the Jan Sangh, by
suspending
JP,
fundamental rights,
who was
Padmaja.
mobilizing crowds from Gujarat to Bihar. People were on the streets, and if the nation had to be protected, emergency was a good move by the Congress. But Pankaj Sharma, also it is very interesting if you are actually saying that people at that time who were creating chaos, who were anarchists, and that is why Indira Ji was forced to impose emergency. You know who are these people you are calling anarchists? Lalu Prasad, Nitish Kumar, Mulayam Singh Yadav, Chandrasekhar. They were all people who are a part of that movement. So those anarchists are sitting with you in the India Alliance, and you're going to their house and calling them, Rajneta and, the upholder of democracy. And today you're saying those are the people who are anarchists because of whom you have to impose emergency. That doesn't square. Pankaj Sharma, let me respond to that. Yesterday's anarchist can't be today's Democrat all of a sudden. Pankaj Sharma.
See, they were fighting for their reasons. But today, those who want you to believe that Indira Gandhi was a hellcat because she imposed emergency are the people who are known for playing all sorts of tricks to divert the public attention from their own sins. They have been murdering the fundamental spirit of our Samvidhan, our constitution every day for last 11 years. They want to discuss 633 days of emergency, and they don't want to discuss 3,985 days of their regime. See, if someone wants to say Indira Ji of those 633 days was the only Indira Gandhi who should be remembered by our young generation, you can well understand the ridiculous conspiratorial.
But Pankaj Ji, what I'm unable to understand, are you finally conceding it was a mistake or not? Because first you said, look, there were some excesses, but it was also a need of the hour, but she was also forced into doing this. So are we now finally agreeing that it was a mistake or not?
Imposing emergency, internal emergency was not a mistake. It was the need of the time.
Why?
But yes, but
Why
yes,
was it need of the time? Because some people were on the streets. On the 26th of January, the national capital of our country was held hostage by a bunch of people who marched up to Red Fort, beat up the Delhi police, engaged in vandalism, did wheelies on tractors in front of police headquarters and the Red Fort of India. But nobody imposed an emergency. For Shaheen Bagh, there were people who were blockading roads. At Singhu border, finally, the court had to ask people to move. And yet there was no emergency. You cannot say there's a people's movement, so we were forced to impose emergency. That is hardly a justification, sir.
see, Narendra Bhai Modi must have declared emergency if it was such a fit case for imposing an
But that's not what happens in a democracy. That is not what
No,
happens
no.
in a democracy.
You just see the situation in 70s. How international forces were trying to block the development of the
So,
country.
Padmaja,
Was
you know
going
what?
on.
Today's
What CIA
no,
was
one
up
minute,
to.
1 minute. Can I please
There
stop
are
you
so many
respectfully?
things. It was a very, very peculiar
cannot
situation at that
be-
time.
It's quite rich
Situation-
that you talk about the CIA being active in 1975, but today
Can
when
I-
somebody
can I
talks
please-
about George Soros wanting to destabilize India, you laugh it off as WhatsApp forward. So that is happening today as well.
Isn't
Should the
it
country
ironic,
impose emergency?
Padmaja?
Should the country impose emergency when George Soros is on record saying, I want Narendra Modi to be removed from the Prime Minister's post of India? The man is on record. This is not even a conspiracy theory. This is not some hidden hand. This is George Soros on record saying, I want Modi to go. Should we impose emergency?
Just see, George Soros is an individual, and Soros, anti-national
Okay,
elements,
Padmaja,
this, that.
Okay, let
look at the
Charupragya
other
respond to
thing.
that.
Small
Pankaj
things.
ji,
And
you are
CIA was an
sitting-
apparatus of a state.
Okay.
Pankaj, listen. Now you are justifying emergency. Look at the irony. Sitting on a national news channel speaking to the country. You're justifying it all. Why? Because one
Freedom of
dictator,
speech, where you
one
cannot
dictator was
discuss anything
unsure
in the
of winning an
parliament,
election.
on the floor
so
of the
she
house.
suspended elections.
And
She suspended
when
elections.
Subramaniam Swamy was expelled, there was a,
This is not
Swamy
about
was
Subramaniam
expelled during
Swamy.
emergency.
This is
There was a
about
full
an
debate,
emergency that
full
you're
debate
sitting
in the
here and
parliament
glorifying.
during emergency
In
time.
2025,
It
I
was the
cannot
freedom of
believe
speech.
a person is glorifying.
And I think that if Congress really want to say apology, they should remove Indira Gandhi from their any post. And that's the only real apology they can ever give to the country.
That is the design,
India,
actually, huh?
every post
This
of
is the
Indira Gandhi
design.
from every post. If they're
is
still
the motive.
taking votes in the
This is
name of
the
Indira
design.
Gandhi, meaning they're still supporting emergency somewhere or the other.
Okay, I'm
Erase
going to.
Nehru from history books, erase Indraji from Nehru from history books. This is the design. This is
Not
the
history book, I said
fundamental-
posters. I said posters. Don't ask names, votes in the names of Indira Gandhi who imposed emergency
Why-
in India.
Why
History book,
did
you should read
RSS
history.
support
You
emergency?
should read history so that it should not
Bala
reoccur
Sahab
again.
Khan may
You should read
support
history.
emergency.
We should know about
If it
it,
was
how
such a
China
bad idea.
was, how opposition was in jail. We should read about history so that it
If
should
it
not
was
occur
such a
again.
bad idea, why did Bala Sahab Devras support emergency? Why did Bala Sahab Devras support emergency?
They will find
Actually
some
supported-
argument there, some
supported
argument there.
emergency.
You said a while back that Congress apologized.
Okay.
Did Congress Indira Gandhi apologize or not?
Okay,
Let's be
I'm going to
clear.
leave it at that. One should know what mistakes have been made in history, and at the very least, we should learn from those mistakes so that we are not doomed to repeat them in the future for the